Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gameguru token. Ticker symbol is GGT. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. It's doing amazing right now. It's up 80.91%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Gameguru token. So Gameguru is all one word. Gameguru.gg is their official webpage. This is a Binance Smart Chain token. So basically, if you wanted to buy this token, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. You would go into the dApps. You would find PancakeSwap and you would trade your BSC for the Gameguru token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap, or you could find it on their official webpage or their BSC scan or their full white paper, which is also listed on CoinMarketCap. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So yeah, their white paper is available on CoinMarketCap, their webpage, price chart, contract address, block explorer. They have a Bitcoin talk, Twitter, and Telegram, all listed here on CoinMarketCap. Now, according to their BSC scan, so far they have 560 holders, 5,902 transfers, and on their CoinMarketCap, on their BSC scan, you could also find a contact email if you're looking for that. 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply of 100 million tokens. So welcome to Gameguru, the first crypto marketplace for e-gift cards and digital gaming products. The platform will enlist 2,600 plus e-gift cards and digital gaming products sourced only from top vetted European wholesalers. Through API integration with the suppliers, all products will be instantly delivered and ready to download. So you can click on their marketplace, which is going to open in 26 days, it says. There's actually a countdown to when their marketplace opens. You can click on Discover Gameguru for more info, their white paper, partner section, roadmap, tokenomics. So what is Gameguru? Well, Gameguru aims to be the first crypto marketplace for e-gift cards and digital gaming products. Digital card sales are a multi-billion-dollar industry with massive growth expectations. A turnover of $698.2 billion is expected worldwide in 2024. We have been in the e-gift card business for many years as a vendor in various online marketplaces such as G2A and Aniba, and we have seen the many limitations of the current system. Traditional marketplaces offer overpriced products, fraudulently obtained game keys, and in most cases, non-instant delivery due to high risk of chargebacks and payment reversals. Gameguru, by relying on its own GGT token, the BEP20 token as the only payment method, will be able to provide lower prices by waiving the commission of marketplaces such as G2A, which is 6 to 10% discount. The remaining profit margin, 7 to 12% discount, will go to GGT token holders. Zero risk products from vetted European wholesale suppliers, and instant goods delivery guaranteed through crypto transactions, irreversibility, and API integration with the suppliers. A multitude of digital gift cards, and it shows you all the digital gift cards, kind of like Roblox got on here, Xbox, Blizzard, Nintendo, Battlegrounds, Google Play, Amazon, iTunes, Steam, Nike, you name it. They're all listed on here. PlayStation Store. It says our roadmap followed the evolution step by step. So the roadmap's kind of weird on here. I'll look at it on the white paper because the way it's listed on here is strange. Let's skip to distribution here. So it says token distribution, 60% of the total supply of tokens goes to public sale. 18% vested over 12 months goes to reserve, legal marketing, marketplace, dev, and operations. 13% goes to exchange liquidity. 5% of the total supply vested over 24 months. And 4% of the total supply goes to the LP liquidity pool. LP liquidity, yes. Contract address is on their webpage, contract audit, and KYC. So they got all sorts of cool stuff there. They've been seen in MarketWatch, PooCoin, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko coming soon, and also P2B coming soon, it says as well. Now, if we skip over to their white paper here, let's see if we can scroll down to roadmaps on here. It's easier to read on their white paper. It says our roadmap is a pathway to the future toward a Web3 digital marketplace that specializes in the sale of digital gaming products and e-gift cards. So October this year, deployment of contract, white paper, and pitch deck, website launch and marketing efforts. Then in November, CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listing, Stage 1 Central Exchange listing, and Marketplace launch, and then Q1 2023, another Central Exchange listing. So that's really all it has for their roadmap. It's not very extensive. Now, on their white paper, which you can find at whitepaper.gameguru.gg, you can find a buy on PancakeSwap link, PooCoin listing, their locked BUSD link, where you can check that out on Unicrypt, locked BNB liquidity on Unicrypt, team tokens, you can see the BSC scan for that, and also their reserve vesting tokens, you can see the BSC scan for that as well. So on their webpage, or on their white paper, I should say, they have a preface, introduction, dive into history, main actors, current limitations, Gameguru value proposition, roadmap, tokenomics, KYC, audit, our story, links, press releases, references, and text Ask Me Anything. So tons of info on their white paper. Check it all out. This token just got listed on CoinMarketCap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Before we wrap this video up here, I'd just like to tell you about today's sponsor, the Beehive multi-token crypto wallet. It's an easy to navigate wallet with low listing fees, low outgoing fees, quick sign-in with added optional TFA for added security. It offers 24-hour support. The wallet supports a ton of coins like Dogecoin, Dingo Coin, Bitcoin, etc. The wallet offers earning features as well, such as Beehive staking and masternodes. All links to the Beehive wallet, including the download link, will be pinned to the top of the comment section down there. So make sure you check it out. Amazing wallet, the Beehive wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.